Hi Year 5, hope you're all well. We're missing you here at school. I have to say it's very strange doing this in front of an empty classroom, although it is quieter, so that's nice. Now, we're going to look at fractions today, because I'm probably aware that you need your fraction fix, and we're going to be looking at converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Now, you can pause at any time you need to. You'll need a whiteboard and whiteboard pen, or a pencil and a bit of paper, that's fine. Okay, so first things first, you need to write down. Can you write down an improper fraction and a mixed number fraction? Don't forget, you can pause whenever you like. Okay. Now, an improper fraction is where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So you've got something like maybe 11 fifths or 17 halves. Okay. And a mixed number is where you have an integer with a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, so we're a fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So you might have 2 and 2/3, or you might have 4 and 1/4. No, 4 1/4. Don't say fourths. Okay. So we're going to look at today how to convert, that is, change an improper fraction into a mixed number. I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is a drawing method using the bar model. Okay. So we're going to change 14 fifths, an improper fraction, into a mixed number. So here's 14 fifths. Now, when we're drawing bar model, this here is very important, this denominator. This shows me how many parts to break my whole into. So it's fifths. So I'm going to draw a bar. I'm going to put that into fifths. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 fifths here. I need 14, so I need another one. I'm going to draw one. Good drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 10 altogether now. Need another 4 more. So I'll draw the full bar. Break it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got my 14 fifths. So once I've drawn it, I can use it to help me turn it into a mixed number by looking how many holes have I got. You can see here I've got 2. Okay. Now I just look at my fraction, what I've got left. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 fifths. So the answer, 14 fifths, an improper fraction converted into a mixed number fraction, is 2 and 4 fifths. Okay, I'm going to put some questions down here. So you can have a go at using this method. Don't forget, you can pause. Okay. So hopefully you've had a go at that. Here are the answers. So 21 fifths. Into bar model, you can see I've drawn 4 whole here, so 4 and 1/5, and this one here, 11/6, is 1 and 5/6. Okay, so that's the first method. Okay, so the second method will be using your multiplication and division facts. Okay, we'll start with the same improper fraction, which is 14 fifths. Okay, this can actually be turned into a number calculation to help you out, and the number calculation is this one: 14 divided by 5. Okay, so your 5 times table is going to be really, really important here. And the question you're asking is, how many groups of 5 can I make out of 14? So you can use your times table. So let's count in 5s. 5, 10, 15. Gone past it, so we go back. 5, 10, that's 2 full groups. And then we need to work out the difference between 10 and 14. And the difference is 4, and that becomes your numerator. The denominator stays the same as 5. Okay, so that's our calculation method. Put one down here. Have a little go. Don't forget to pause. Okay, so this one here, you'll be looking at your 4 times table. How many groups of 4 can you make out of 18? The answer is going to be 4. 4 4s are 16. The difference between 16 and 18 is 2. And then the denominator stays the same. If you wanted to simplify that, that could be 4.5. This one, how many groups of 3 can you make out of 28? Well, 9 3s are 27, so it's going to be 9. And the difference between 27 and 28 is 1. So you can have 1/3. That's the answer to those two there. Okay, I've got a big sheet for you to have a little go at. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conversions to do from improper fractions into mixed numbers. You've also got a problem solving one here. Okay, the red circles are all the same number. I wonder if you can figure that one out. Don't forget to pause. Okay, you can use any of the two methods that we had a little look at. these are the answers. Okay, you can mark them yourself, they're in red pen, and the answer to the problem solving, all the digits were 5. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Stay safe, hope to see you real soon.